Flamingos are a type of wading bird in the family Phoenicopteridae, the only bird family in the order Phoenicopteriformes. 4 flamingo species are distributed throughout the Americas, including the Caribbean, and 2 species are native to Africa, Asia, and Europe. Let's know some amazing and astonishing facts about them. The word flamingo comes from the Spanish and Latin word flamenco, which mean fire. It refers to the bright colors of the bird's feathers. Flamingo chicks are born with gray and white feathers. They do not turn pink for a year or 2. Their beaks are straight, and begin to curve as they grow and mature. Their pink color is obtained from its diet. Each flamingo's shade of pink varies by species, with the Caribbean species a vivid pink and the greater species a pale pink. The color pink comes from beta-carotene in the crustaceans and plankton that flamingos eat. Zoo flamingos will turn white if their diet is not supplemented with live shrimp or flamingo chow containing carotenoid pigments. The greater flamingo is the most widespread and largest member of the flamingo family. Fully grown male birds can grow in excess of 180 centimeters tall. That's the same as supermodel height of 5 feet 11 inches. A typical lifespan for a flamingo bird in a zoo is an astonishing 60 years, with the longest lifespan recorded being a bird at an Australian zoo, who lived to be 83. They are powerful flyers. When flying in a flock, the top speed of a flamingo can be as high as 35 miles per hour. They are monogamous birds like penguins. The females lay only a single egg each year. If anything happens to that egg which results in it no hatching, they don't typically lay a replacement, which means it can often take several years for the flamingo population to grow. They find strength in numbers for breeding success. They are birds which do not live in small flocks but rather, flocks of up to 1 million or more have been recorded. Typical smaller flock numbers are a couple of dozen. A flock of flamingos are called a colony, regiment or flamboyance. These terms refer to any size flock of flamingos greater than 2, who are simply known as a pair. They are a familiar sight even to those who have never seen one in real life. The tropical wading birds have long legs with backward bending knees, long curvy necks, and most noticeably, they are pink. There are 6 distinct species of flamingo, but it takes a trained eye to distinguish them. Adult flamingos are 4 to 5 feet tall, but only weigh between 4 and 8 pounds. That's the kind of astonishing body density needed for flight. They tend to congregate in mud flats or lagoons, where they can find shallow saltwater prey. These habitats are also difficult for predators to negotiate. The feathers under their wings, flight feathers, are black. You only see them when the birds are flying. The male and female of a mating pair build a nest together, and both sit on the egg while it incubates for about a month. Some flamingos find it easier to steal a nest that's already been built, so mating pairs must guard a nest from other flamingos as well as predators. Flamingos feed by stirring up mud with their feet. Then they reach down and scoop up a beak full of mud and water. Their beaks are designed to strain animals out of the mud, and the muddy water is expelled. This happens as the flamingo's head is upside down. The American flamingo, Phoenicopterus rubber, is the only species native to North America, but is rarely seen in the United States anymore. It is generally more brightly colored than the greater flamingo, Phoenicopterus roseus, that inhabits the coasts of Africa, Asia, and southern Europe. Although the greater flamingo is the most widespread species, the most numerous is the lesser flamingo, Phoenicopterus minor. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share us. Stay connected.